I'm back with another video. This is going to be a Valentine's Day soft glam look. So let's just get right into it. So I'm going into the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take a pink color and just put that as my transition all over and under my eyebrow. Thumbs up if you guys like the new background, I guess. Now I'm taking this palette and I'm going to take the dark pink color that's in that palette, as you can see, and I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and just put that all over my lid. Now I'm taking the color Fawn by LA Girl, and I'm halfway cutting my crease with that. I'm still learning at this cut crease thing, you guys, so bear with me. This look is very just concentrated on the eyes. Now I'm taking this soft pink color out of the Zodiac BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm just putting that all over where I cut my crease, just to prep for the shimmer that I'll be using out of that palette as well. Right now I'm just blending the colors into each other. Now I'm wetting my brush with my facial spray, and now I'm applying the color Leo to my lid. As you can see, I was surprised by the pigmentation of that color, but let's just be real, the whole palette is full of pigment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was mostly focused on the eyes. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.